Like the bug can take a bird.
Can I not zoom in on video? Damn it!
Yeah, you can. Just get.
It's
There
not
has to be a way.
Nope.
Go outside. See what happens if you go outside.
I'm scared.
Look at it. Look at it. The bug is like hardcore. Oh my god. Oh
shit.
Oh god. He almost bit him. This is
Damn.
so funny.
Oh shit. Gonna make a move.
This is like.
Oh!
God, it's head. This is his head off.
Oh shit.
I just bit its head off.
Oh!
Shit. Oh shit. Oh, he got him. He's dead.
Oh! Oh! Oh damn!
Oh, he's back. He's back alive.
How?
The bird's gonna fall, dumbass.
Damn,
How
that
is this
thing
bug
is.
not dead yet?
No, he's done.
No, he's not. Look, he's moving still.
Oh god.
He's still going. Oh,
my god.
Oh Jesus.
the bug should.
are extinct.
Not anymore.
They're endangered.
No, not anymore. They came back like 5 years ago.
Damn. Guess I should stop recording. It's getting pretty ugly.